Hello guys, this is Business Plus. I just quickly want to show you with the stochastics settings that I have on my screen now. And before I proceed guys, a very big thank you once again to those that have subscribed on my YouTube channel and those that are on my Telegram. I'm saying a very big thank you to you, and if you're just seeing this video for the very first time, check the description. You will see a link to join the Telegram there. So you can just click and check. And also, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, you can kindly do so with this. Thank you. Now you can see that on 1 minute time frame, this is stochastics and the settings. I'll later show you the settings, and you can see on let's check you can see on the stochastics here, you can see it has gone down. It means that probably we're expecting a spike very soon on the stochastic. And don't forget, we are using time frame 1 minute. Now let's go back to 5 minutes, and you can see on 5 minutes exactly what is happening. On 1 minute exactly what is happening also on 5 minutes. Now see the stochastics has risen up from level 0 and probably is on level 20. So definitely from 20 it will keep going up if it doesn't cross at this point. Now don't forget that with this, the trend is a downtrend. You can see it's a downtrend here, and which means that the spike will be very small. But if you are operating on an uptrend, definitely the spike will occur rapidly, probably 2 to 3 times before it gets to level 80 or 100 here, right? Now let me show you something also on another time frame, which is M5. You can see at M5 the stochastic is about crossing at M5, which means when it cross each other at M5, which is the green line, also the red line, when it cross each other it will go up. Okay, so now what we're doing is we are waiting on the stochastics on M15 time frame to cross each other. Then when it begins going up, now the trend here, there will be a spike above this line here. And also another thing is, let me use another line to show you. Or no, don't let me use this, excuse me, just let me remove this. Let me take this back so that this will just show us the trend, the movement of the trend. And let me use a line like this to show. Okay, you can see now. Let me zoom in. You can see that at this point we have a very strong support at this point here. You can see on 15 minutes we have one, and also we have another support here. Okay, so this is to support. Now when this line cross below where I place this support, when it crosses and the spike didn't happen, then we keep looking at what is happening at this point here. But with this, I can tell you clearly that a spike will occur. Now let's see what is happening on M30. If M30 obeys what's happening also on the M15 and M5. Now you can see the support is also strong on M30, but on M30 we are having a downtrend, which means that this downtrend will continue for a while. But that doesn't mean that spike cannot happen. Okay, it doesn't mean that there won't be a spike. Okay, so now as you notice on M30, that around this point we have a support. Okay, now let me use let me use the crosshair so that I'll be able to know. Now around this point here, you can see we have several support too, which is talking about what is happening at this point here. Okay, that's exactly what has reflected on the main chart. Now let's see, it has almost gotten to the support. Now let's go to another time frame, which is M1, is a downtrend. So we have downtrend and downtrend on higher time frames. Guys, it's just a demo account, okay? So this is why I test most of the signals and most of the setups before I send it to the, before I do video about it and upload it um to YouTube. So guys, let's see what's happening on H4. You can see on H4 we have an uptrend, which the uptrend has not been exhausted yet on H4. So definitely we should be expecting uh a spike. Okay, so now let's check, let's go back to M5 and see. Now this is where the problem is. Now you can see that on M5 it has crossed down. Okay, so at any moment now, that doesn't mean that there won't be a spike. Okay, but at any moment now, let's wait a bit, to see exactly what is happening on M15. Now see, the spike has occurred, guys. The spike has occurred. Now look at it now on M15. Okay, see, this is just a very simple strategy. Okay, look at it on M15. You can see it has crossed. Now we have the confirmation on, let me go back to M1 so that you can see. Look at the spike, guys. Look at the spike. Okay, the spike has occurred and it's awesome. Okay, very good spike occurred. So all these things, they are just simple analysis, and at times if I'm not on my PC, I check through all this so that I will know exactly what the trend is saying. Don't forget, like I said, let me take you back. Like I said, on this, the stochastic indicator, wow, another spike happened. That's awesome. Now the reason why another spike happens is, let's go back to 15 minutes time frame. You can see we still have opportunity that there will be another spike before they start going down. Okay, you can see now, look at it here, it crossed. Definitely on this stochastic, the stochastics might get to level 80. Okay, it might get to level 80. So guys, you need to understand exactly what you were doing. You need to understand exactly what you were doing with this trading. Okay, now when you understand the fact that you are trading trend, seriously guys, you'll be successful in this. You'll be very successful in this. So I'm trying all my possible best, guys, to make sure that everyone on my channel gets the full knowledge of what trading is all about. Okay, now I quickly want to show you this on demo account. That's why I came up with this. Now I'm working on a long-term trade. That's the one you saw above here. You can see. Okay, that's a new strategy that I'm working on. That's what you saw now. Now, which is this. Okay, which is this. I'm working on another new strategy. So anytime I want to work on strategy, I have to create an avenue for myself to test out this strategy before I'll just come on YouTube and make sure it's working. Okay, so now back to what I'm saying in a nutshell. You can see on the 15 minutes we still have hope that there will be more spike. You can see it's going back up, but one thing that you should be very careful of is on 15 minutes. Look at the trend. We have a downtrend on 15 minutes, which is this. You can see from the top here to down is a downtrend. Okay, now the reason why I'm placing this trade to show you what is happening is because of the confirmation that I've gotten on this. Now look at what M1 is saying now. It has gotten to level 100. Definitely it's coming back down now. Okay, and probably before any spike will occur, for it to answer what's happening on M5. Now let me check M15 rather, but let me check what's happening on M5. Now M5 is still going on. Probably another spike might happen, and from this point it will obey what M1 is talking about. And what is M1 talking about? M1 is talking about the trend coming back down. That's exactly what you were seeing with this coming down. Okay, that's exactly what you're seeing with this coming down. Now don't take the opportunity to trade this. Another spike might happen, but if another spike happens, that's when you see a little changes with the stochastics on M1. Okay, so now let's go back to M5. You can see at M5 we still have it's going up almost at level 80. Okay, almost at level 80. It's still going up, but with these two mighty spikes, you are cool with your profit. Now you cannot convert this to a long-term trade. Why? Because it's a downtrend already. So that spike is just a retesting spike. I want you to note and understand that too. Now see the M15. You can see the M15 is going up, and since it's a downtrend, now let me show you something here. Let me show you something here. Since it's a downtrend, look at the stochastics. You will see that the stochastics is going down. Look at the arrow on the stochastics. You will see that it's going down. Right? So guys, this is another simple strategy. I know a lot of people will be asking, the setup is what you are seeing. Stochastics 533. Okay. Now let me show you for the sake of those people that will not understand. You can see it's only stochastics. Then these are the setup. Excuse me, these are the setup. Percentage K period is 5. Percentage G period is 3. Slowing 3. The price field is low high. The method is simple. The main is to under the styles. The main is 2 pixels. You can give it any color of your choice. The signal is 2, and also the level 280. You can add even 50 to it. Okay, so this is just it is like the default. It's just like the default. So that's just the settings, guys. So this is another wonderful strategy that I've practiced, and this is also running on my real account. It's also running on my real account. And guys, that's just this for this video. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for another video that's coming soon. And if you want to check or join the Telegram channel, you can just click on the description below. Now when you click on it, you join. And if you need my signal service, just message me at Business Plus CEO. So at Business Plus CEO, I'm a good listener, guys. I'll answer you. If you want to join my VIP for signal, is just $30 and per month. And if you need more than a month, just message me. Let's talk about business. For account management too, so I have my terms. So for account management, you can just message me on that too. And also, if you want me to mentor you, okay. So guys, you can see this is the real deal. You can see I have practicalized it before everyone here, and even before the spike happened, I showed you, and it did happen. So guys, we have to wait for another setup. If you want to stick with this strategy, it's very, very effective. Guys, you just need to understand what the market is saying. Okay, when you understand the market, you'll be fine. You'll be making money time to time, and also make sure you have your risk management in place. Okay, so that's it for this video. Stay blessed and happy Easter. Bye bye.